Welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making what I call the best egg salad spread. Quick, tasty and ridiculously good on bread. Let's get into it. First things first, let's get our eggs cooking. Hard boil is what we need, so cover them with water and let them boil away. While the eggs are cooking, let's prep the onion. I'm using one medium onion and I am not chopping it by hand today. I'm using my little kitchen gadget. It's faster, easier and no tears, which is always a win. Just cut the onion into a few chunks, pop it in, and in a couple of seconds it's perfectly minced. Way easier than doing it with a knife. When it's ready, straight into our mixing bowl. And when your eggs are done, move them into cold water to stop the cooking. We will peel and chop them later. Now let's bring in the mayonnaise, 6 tablespoons. This is what gives the spread that smooth, spreadable texture we all love. Just scoop it right into the bowl with the onion. It's simple, but it makes everything come together beautifully. Next up, pickles. We are using store-bought minced pickles today. Super easy, no chopping. If you don't have them, just mince about 3 small pickles. Add them straight into the bowl. Time to season it. Add a little salt and some black pepper. Just a light sprinkle for now. Freshly ground pepper gives a nice kick if you have it. We don't want to overdo it, so start small. After we mix everything later, we can always add more to taste. Now give everything a good mix. This is our base, so we want it nicely combined before we add the eggs. Mixing it now helps keep the eggs from breaking later. They stay in bigger pieces and taste better in every bite. Time for the eggs. Once they are cool, peel them and chop them into small pieces. Not too tiny. We still want nice chunks in every bite. And if you want to save time, you can use the same kitchen gadget you use for the onion. Just give the eggs a few quick pulses. When they are ready, add them straight into the bowl. Give everything one last gentle mix to bring it all together. And that's our egg spread done. And now you can serve it any way you like, on fresh bread, a baguette, toast, whatever you have at home. Add a few veggies on the side to make the plate look nice and colorful. If you are not eating it right away, just pop the spread into the fridge. It keeps really well, and honestly, it tastes even better the next day when all the flavors have time to settle together. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow for more tasty ideas here on Simply Food Recipes.